Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cleaning video for you guys. We are cleaning my entire downstairs, the dining room, the playroom, the living room, kitchen, my bathroom, and straightening up my outside a little bit on the patio. So let's get started. So I'm starting in the dining room, and the dining room table is kind of like the catch-all for everything. So we're going to get this cleaned up and just get everything straightened up in here. So while we're cleaning, we're gonna water my plants. I have like a few plants in the house on our ledges and in our living room. So we're gonna water those. The outside just had some water bottles and cups that were left out there that needed to be cleaned up and put away, and then I was straightening up my cushions. So I'm literally gonna straighten up around the toys because they have like this little play set and have all their characters and accessories arranged, and I feel so bad moving them, so I'm just gonna leave them there so they can continue to play with them later so I don't mess up their like house setup. So we're just gonna clean around the toys. This is how they had their little playhouses set up, so we're not touching these. So that was the entire downstairs. I worked my way upstairs for a minute and just cleaned up a little bit in the loft. So this is that, and just had some clothes and stuff that need to be taken to the laundry room and stuff like that. And I got this new rug and I was trying to figure out the perfect place to put it, and I think I like it right here in front of the bookcase, so I think this is probably where I'll keep it. Please, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.